If you're passionate about the outdoor lifestyle and need cutting-edge detailing products designed to make cleaning easier, faster, and more effective, we've created just what you need. With over 20 years of experience, our new range of more heavy-duty products are specifically crafted to deeper clean and protect your four-wheel drive, boat, jet ski, caravan, or camper trailer from the harsh local elements. Whether it's mud, red dust, sand or salt, our awesome lineup is here to keep your rig looking its absolute best after every great adventure. After 5 years of relentless lab work and punishing real-world testing, we've crafted a lineup that's well ahead of the pack. Meet the ultimate arsenal for off-road fanatics: Dirty Times Wash, the Twisted Mother Sucker, Down and Dirty, the Little Stiffy, and Under Armour. These names aren't just for show, they're built to tackle whatever the Aussie outdoors throws at you. First off, one we're very proud of, the Dirty Times Wash. Purely designed for those who like their weekends a little dirtier. This is a powerful, no-nonsense formula that delivers unmatched protection for your vehicles that hit the beach and bush regularly. Unlike the hype you often hear in this industry, this wash does exactly what it promises, especially when it comes to salt removal and rust prevention. Just take a look at our simple beaker test here on a bare steel strip, sped up over a few days to give you an idea on what so many of these washes are doing to your trusted vehicle's inners. Note how Dirty Times Wash outperforms other so-called rust prevention washes. Test it out yourself and you'll see just how most of these washes are doing more harm than good, actually speeding up rust and corrosion every time you use them. But it's a whole lot more than giving genuine protection, as it's a super concentrated blend packed full of the best new top tier cleaning agents, all to make the toughest cleaning jobs easier. With a lower pH and active ingredients designed to dissolve minerals and salt deposits, as well as tackle mud and red dirt head on, this formula is properly targeted at those more intensive jobs. And finally, like all of our washes, it's a high lubrication, biodegradable and sudsy formula that's awesome to use, as well as being safe for ceramic coatings, hydrophobic sealants, paint protection films, not to mention every other exterior surface on your vehicle. Plus it leaves a great, clean shine. We see Dirty Times Wash as an essential addition in any off-road enthusiast detailing arsenal. After washing, you want some fast and easy drying of any larger sized vehicles. For this, we've created the Twisted Mother Sucker. This huge 90cm by 60cm mega absorbent towel is perfect for bigger full drives, caravans, boats, yachts, and more. Its premium 800 GSM single-sided twist loop microfiber material has been proven for its huge absorbency, and being single-sided, it doesn't get too heavy as you fill it up, and when you do fill it up, you can wring this one out too. But the thing we think is the best is its ergonomic hand pockets, which make using the towel an absolute joy. Down and Dirty is our hardcore higher pH cleaner for helping effortlessly shift heavier grime and red dirt from your underbody, as well as deep and intensive tyre and rubber cleaning. Super advanced surfactants and cleaning agents make tackling these tougher jobs a breeze with a super lubricating and high foaming biodegradable formula. It becomes a dream team when paired with our new little stiffy brush, which features stiff, high quality bristles, an ergonomic handle, and a rubber bumper around the edge to avoid accidental knocks from damaging your pride and joy. This combination makes cleaning tyres and underbody surfaces not just quicker, but an absolute pleasure. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest research and development breakthroughs yet. 5 years, 400 different formulas, and countless hours of real-world testing went into creating this one-of-a-kind off-road protection. Meet the Under Armour spray, meticulously engineered for the ultimate in corrosion defense down under. This water-based, biodegradable formula is free from harsh solvents, sticky lanolin, oil, or wax, so it won't attract sand and dust to your underbody. We've packed it with the best corrosion inhibitors out there, and after rigorous testing, it's clear nothing else even comes close. It's a simple spray-on, rinse-off application that cures to a clear, non-sticky finish, perfect for all underbody metals, rubbers, and plastics. Under Armour creates a super hydrophobic barrier, making post-trip cleaning a breeze, and its protection lasts 2 to 3 months, ideal for those extended off-road adventures. We're proud to bring you these new, purpose-made products that will make it easier to keep your outdoor vehicles in great shape no matter where you take them. Built from years of hands-on experience and designed purely for those who love the outdoor lifestyle, this range is made to help you tackle whatever comes your way. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to being part of your next dirty adventure.